Guys, they look so good together. What do you guys think? Man, it's so sick seeing them both together. It's so crazy. Like, I didn't know how, I guess you can say burgundy this car was until I put the WRX right next to it. Like, the two reds are completely different. I always thought the FRS was like kind of like this red, but seeing them next to each other, it's way darker. It's like a burgundy. Kind of looks similar on camera, but especially when the sun goes down, they look completely different. I can't wait to start modding this thing though. Making this thing look right, it'll look even better with the FRS right next to it. What's going on, guys, and welcome to today's video. I've been putting this install off for a while now. I've literally had this thing sitting under my toolbox for, I want to say, a month. We're finally bringing it out today. As you can see, got some dust on it. It's been sitting for quite a while. So without further ado, let's get started on this install. I really wanted to match the whole color theme with the FRS. That is why I decided to get a white stripe. I've been honestly in the market for a new steering wheel ever since I gave away my old steering wheel. I actually gave it away in a past merch job just to give back to you guys. Ever since then, I've kind of been looking for a steering wheel, and I think this is really nice and very simple. And I just think it flows very well with the theme of the car. Like I said, we got the white bash bar, the white wheels, and the white door sticker. And I just feel like it just complements it very well. Paired it with the quick release, we got some energy products. We got the hub and the quick release, so the wheel can bolt up to the car. If you guys are interested, I will have the links to these products down in the description below. Tools, I think we're gonna need, I wanna say a 17 mil. Oh yeah, we for sure need some tape for the clock spring. Just took off the positive terminal for the battery. Battery's out. First things first, we have to pop this airbag out. You really can't see, but there's like a little pin in there that's like sticking down all the way in there. You pretty much just gotta stick a flathead in there and just push it towards the middle, and it'll pop this side out. You literally just gotta push it as if it was like a button. Just like that. Now for the serious part. We gotta take this thing off and not mess with the clock spring. And you gotta be super careful with this, because if you don't, then you're gonna have an ABS light on your dash the entire time you have your car, so really don't want that. You don't want to unscrew the nut all the way, because when you pull the wheel, you don't want it to freaking bash your teeth out. So I just have it screwed in just a little bit, so when it backs out, it'll hit this nut. So just like that. So once you have it loose off, now you can just take the nut off. Now you gotta feed this through without freaking moving the clock spring. All right, just like that. So yeah, these are actually airbag resistors. Pretty loose, honestly, but I'm probably just gonna go ahead and electrical tape them. All right, I think this would be good like that. Real quickly interrupting today's video, we have a brand new merch shop coming very soon. We have a brand new design with the FRS. We got all new t-shirts and long sleeves coming out, and these by far are my favorite design yet. So to stay up to date on this new merch shop coming up, be sure to follow Borges Supply. Thank you guys so much in advance, but back to today's video. Connect connected the two. Now more wires to tug behind it. So much stuffing. Gosh. All right, I think we're getting somewhere. That took longer than I expected. So now it's actually time for the fun part. Now we get to bolt the quick release onto the wheel so we can put it back on the car. I love this. This whole like cruise control lever is so sick. With this bracket, that is just so awesome. That's just like one thing that I didn't have before when I had my quick release, my old quick release setup. But yeah, this is awesome. I'm so glad that we have the cruise control lever. All right, what do you guys think? Heck yeah, I'm so excited to drive this thing on. Upside down, don't tell me I did it upside down. I did. Oh my gosh, dude, I'm so dumb. It's upside down. I freaking, oh my gosh. Again, it's the second time I've done this. All right, switch it around. This should work this time. Here it is, guys. What do you guys think? Damn, this is so nice. It just matches. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys, I actually painted this white as well to match the car. So dude, that looks awesome. The white on white. Interior's looking nice. Finally, I never really focused on the interior, honestly, but it's nice to see some interior mods. Before we leave, we do have some WRX content coming very soon. I have not done a POV driving video in so long. It's been forever, it feels like. Good driving the FRS. I've almost put 1,000 miles on the WRX in 1 week ever since we got it. So I barely drive this thing, honestly. The car just feels like, I don't know, this steering wheel just gives it just like a race car vibe. It just feels more like a race car and I dig it a lot. Is so expensive in my area now. It's like not even worth it anymore. $289. I feel like that's so high. I just gave the car a wash. It looks so clean right now. In fact, this car's always dirty. It looks completely different when it's dirty, but dude, when you clean it up, I literally fall in love with it all over again. It looks so good. Can't wait to stand. I know I've been talking about this a lot, but I can't wait to stand this thing out. I have everything at home. I got the tires, I I got some TPMS sensors, the ones that you can read the tire pressures. We pretty much have everything to stance the car. I'm gonna need to slot the front airbags. So if you guys are local to San Diego area or SoCal, if you guys have slotted struts before, DM me on Instagram because I probably will need help doing that. I'm looking to get around -7 on the fronts, but I never slotted struts ever, and these are brand new struts, so I really don't want to mess anything up. We had the track stance for a while, but I feel like it was time for a change, and I feel like this thing will look 10 times more aggressive when we stance it out. That is all I have for today's video, guys. If you guys enjoyed the brand new steering wheel install on the car, leave a like on the video and drop a comment down below what you think. Got a lot of stuff coming up. We got some FRS stuff coming up as well as WRX stuff. I'm so excited to start working on both of these cars and to showcase everything to you guys. Yeah, with that being said, I hope you all have a good one today. Make it a good one, and I'll catch you all on the next one. Peace.